Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Abrdn Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. Abrdn Investment Management Review My Usage Experience offers investment performance analysis and portfolio management tools for individual investors and potentially financial advisors. It aims to provide insights into investment strategies and fund performance managed by Abrdn. Key features likely include portfolio tracking, performance reporting, and potentially research tools. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Abrdn's website details the various investment solutions they offer. They position themselves as a long-term, global investment manager. They highlight their experience and expertise in managing assets. Ease of use is emphasized through their online portal. Pricing is likely dependent on the specific service utilized and would be available through their advisors or on their website. Availability is global, though access to specific products may vary by region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Abrdn Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. I accessed their online portal to analyze the performance of some funds I'm interested in. Getting started was straightforward. I simply created an account using my email address. Navigating the interface was intuitive, and I quickly found the performance data I needed, presented in clear charts and graphs. The website loaded quickly, and I didn't experience any glitches. The quality of the data was excellent, providing a detailed breakdown of performance metrics. I was really impressed by how clearly they displayed the risk factors associated with different funds. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited customization options for the reports. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric and their support responded within 2 business days via email. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive risk analysis tools. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It provided me with the information I needed to make informed investment decisions. While it might not be as visually appealing as some other platforms, the functionality and quality of data are top-notch. That's my overview of Abrdn Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.